students, good morning. In today's video we're going to look at page 15 in your green spring and summer book, and we're going to be making questions. So look at your paper and you can see the question word, what, where, and when. Today we're going to make where questions. So circle where. We're also going to use is or are in the sentence. Is in the question. Is for singular, one. Plural is for many, 2, 3, 4. So here we have words. Plants. We're going to make questions with where. Where. Where is a location word. Where are the plants? There, beside the tree. So this is the question, and you have an answer. Where? Where are the plants? There, beside the tree. Where are the tulips? Where? Where are the tulips? There, beside the house. Where? Where are the daffodils? Daffodils are yellow flowers in the spring. There. The daffodils are beside the window. So students, on page 15, I want you to practice writing where questions. Okay, where is the plant? If you're talking about one plant. But if you have an S, plants, you need to say are. Where are the plants? Okay, so number 1, where are the plants? And we have a question mark. Where are the plants? Now for my second sentence, I'm going to say is. Where is the, I'm going to say where is the deer? Where is the deer? Deer, I have one deer. Where is the deer? Okay, so you can make more questions. Here you can even write 6, 7 more questions using these words. Then take a picture of page 15 and send it to me. Okay, students, please look at page 16 in your green spring and summer book. Worksheet 1R, thunderstorms. What is a thunderstorm? This is a thunderstorm. So let's read together. Sometimes in the spring or summer, students also in the summer, we have thunderstorms. Let's practice saying this word. Th, thunder, storms, thunderstorms. A thunderstorm has lightning, thunder, heavy rain, wind, and dark clouds. Lightning is a bright light that flashes across the sky. The sound that follows lightning is thunder. Okay, students, so lightning is the light you can see. The sound that you hear is thunder. Lightning is the light you see. Thunder is the sound. Thunder is not dangerous, but lightning is. Sometimes hail comes with the rain in the thunderstorm. Hail is a small ball of ice. It can damage plants and cars. So students, I want to tell you about hail. One time I was visiting my friends and there was a thunderstorm and there was hail, and the hail damaged my van. It had many hail dints in the van. My van was no good. I had to have it fixed, and it was very expensive to fix the damage on my van from the hail. So if you see a thunderstorm, you can park in the garage or under a tree. Also, the hail can be very bad for the gardens and for farmers. Okay, students, look here. Match the vocabulary words with their definitions. Definitions means the meaning. Okay, so what does it mean? This is definition. So we have hail. So match. A small ball of frozen rain. Okay, so that is an ice cube. What is lightning? Okay, so we need to read here. Which one is lightning? A bright flash of light in the sky. A storm that has heavy rain, wind, thunder, and lightning. A bright light that comes and goes quickly. The sound that follows lightning. Okay. So lightning is a bright flash of light in the sky. Okay, students, so I helped you with lightning, and now I want you to think. You have 3 more definitions, and you need to draw a line, match the word with the definition. Okay, so take a picture of page 16 and send it to me. Thanks, have a good day. Bye.